40 English questions mix. Try to answer as many correctly as you can. What is the opposite of hidden? Answer A. Visible. What is the opposite of confident? Answer A. Nervous. What is the synonym of evil? Answer C. Wicked. What is the synonym of serene? Answer D. Peaceful. What does get real mean? Answer A. Accept reality. What does your guess is as good as mine mean? Answer B. I don't know. Plural of suitcase. Answer A. Suitcases. What is the plural of cactus? Answer C. Cacti. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. They insisted on staying longer. Which word is missing? Answer A. She is good at explaining grammar. What does MTV stand for? Answer D. Music television. What medical imaging technique uses magnetic fields and radio waves? Answer A. MRI. What is the past tense of cling? Answer D. Clung. Second form of burst. Answer B. Burst. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Criminal. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Destroy. Opposite of eccentric. Answer D. Conventional. Opposite of weary? Answer C. Energetic. What is the opposite of yield? Answer A. Resist. What is the synonym of rowdy? Answer D. Noisy. What is the synonym of fearless? Answer B. Brave. What is the synonym of pick? Answer A. Choose. What does know the drill mean? Answer D. Know the routine. What does on purpose mean? Answer B. Intentionally. What does face an uphill battle mean? Answer C. Face difficulty. What is the plural of cork? Answer B. Corks. What is the plural of pedestal? Answer D. Pedestals. What is the plural of kennel? Answer A. Kennels. What is the plural of whistle? Answer D. Whistles. Fill in the missing word. Answer B. He is bad at keeping secrets. Which word is missing? Answer C. They accused her of stealing. Which word is missing? Answer D. She is keen on photography. What is the past tense of fit? Answer A. Fit. Second form of kneel. Answer D. Knelt. What is the second form of walk? Answer B. Walked. Second form of borrow? Answer C. Borrowed. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Discipline. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Objective. How is this word spelled? Answer B. Qualify. Which option is correct? Answer C. Reinforce. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.